Hello everybody, this is your friend Edgar Eddie Fernandez, uh, the owner of Sufficient Limited and the creator of the Experiential Knowledge Solution program. Well, today I want to share a short video with you. Last week I wrote an article regarding on how to make your SOPs effective on the especially on this digital era or the Industry 4.0. So something that I want to share with you today, actually, and we have the same, I would say, the same challenge in safety. It's so in safety we want to reduce injuries and incidents. So therefore, I was suggesting in my previous videos to create a plan, an action plan to achieve those goals. That is very different from the from the safety management system. So I think it should be the same in the quality management system, especially in the pharmaceutical and food industries, the same of the medical device industry as well, to avoid citations from the FDA to Health Canada. So in other words, you need to have a plan or create an action plan. That's my suggestion, to assess in a frequently basis, daily basis, how your procedures are being followed. So you can use actually something that in lean manufacturing is called Kaizen Blitz. So you can design this action plan. It's very simple. For example, you can say, okay, this year I'm gonna assess 10 SOPs or 10 critical aspects of my quality management system, and you Kaizen Blitz the procedures, inspection lists, inspection sheets. You are performing quality risk management, etc. So you can do that. For example, in the pharmaceutical industry, there is something that is called technology transfer documentation, right? That is going from R&D to a commercial production or a manufacturing scale production. So you can assess, actually, you can Kaizen Blitz 5 of them every year. So to see if you have all the information updated and you have all the documentation updated, and then if there is any modification that has been done manually and hasn't been updated on the procedure, is something that you can catch before any audit comes to your facility. So actually, you have your quality management system that is okay, but also you need to develop an action plan to assess in a daily basis how your management system is working. So one of the things that you can do is to conduct Kaizen Blitz on different critical aspects of your quality management system. Those ones can be transfer technology, those can be change controls, critical procedures, CAPAs, etc. So you can make that action plan and see how it's working on your facility to detect possible deviations. Hopefully this short video helps you to do that action plan. If not, you can drop a comment on my social platforms, and I'll be willing to help you to develop that action plan if you decide to do it. Thank you very much. Have an excellent day. Bye.